I'm Shira Pullman with DPS 22, and I'm here at Denver's West High School, where the Air Force Academy just donated a jet engine. This engine will give students hands-on experience with propulsion theory and seeing what goes on inside an actual turbine.
Okay, math and physics are just like wrenches, they're like screwdrivers. It's the tools that you need to be able to have so you can go do the engineering, go play with airplanes, which is what you want to do. How many of you want to get that A and P? Any of that? Who wants to fly?
I'd like to take a moment once again to thank the United States Air Force Academy for this generous donation. We're going to take a moment and let's unveil the J69. All right. Yeah. Woo-hoo. Woo.
Have this example of hands-on learning where kids can touch and see and feel, I just think makes things so much more real to have that combination of classroom learning, textbook learning, with real-life practical learning.
A lot of the students here are getting their A and P license or working towards their A and P license, which is phenomenal to get them started in aviation career. That's something that the Air Force can use. It's something that our communities can use, as we need these technical skilled positions to be able to do stuff for us.